Hello, my dear students. I am Mr. Hussein Al-Masri. I miss you so much. Welcome to a new math session. Our lesson today is factorizing by completing the square. The question is, when do we need to use this method, or factorizing by completing the square? Actually, we need to use this method to factorize the expression that consists of at least two terms. Each of them is a perfect square, and the power of the symbol in each of these two terms, if it exists, is 4 or its multiples, and the sign between them is positive. Again, we will use this method, which is factorizing by completing the square, if I have an expression like that, consists of two terms, and the sign between them is positive. If you note that the two terms are perfect square means has a square root. Square root of 4x power 4 is 2x squared. And the square root of y power 4 is y squared. So I have two terms, each of them is perfect square, and the power of each letter is 4. Like this, x is power 4 and y is to the power 4. So the suitable method here is factorizing by completing the square. How can I factorize an expression by completing the square? First, I will open a bracket like this, factorize each of the following expression, 4x power 4 plus y power 4. In the first exercise, I will open a bracket like this, and I will write power 2 over the bracket. Then I will open a bracket to the power 2. Inside the bracket, I will put the root of the first term. What is the root of 4x power 4? Yes, 2x squared. Then I will write 2x squared. And the same sign in the middle, plus. Then I will write the root of the second term, which is y squared. Then I will change this sign outside. This sign is positive, then outside I will write minus. Then from the bracket I will make like that. First by second by 2. Again, first by second by 2. First by second, 2x squared by y squared equals 2x squared y squared. By 2, then I will write 4x squared y squared. Again, I opened a bracket, this bracket to the power 2. Then from the expression, find the root of the first term, 2x squared, the same sign, plus root of the second term, y squared. After that, I will change this sign in the middle. I will write minus outside the bracket. Then first by second by 2 from this bracket. First by second by 2 equals 4x squared y squared outside the bracket like this. After that, I will factorize this expression by the difference of two squares. I have two squares, two perfect squares, and the sign between them is negative. Then I will factorize them as a difference of two squares, like that. I will open a bracket. Root of the first term is the same bracket without this power. Then the root of the first term is a bracket like that, 2x squared plus y squared. The same bracket but without this power. Minus root of the second term, 2xy. And I will repeat this bracket for the second time like that, 2x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Then By factorizing this expression, I will get these two factors, 4x power 4 plus y power 4 equal this factor multiplying by this factor. I have two factors. By multiplying them together, I will get this expression. Okay, I will answer the question number 2 by the same method to can understand it. I have an expression consists of two terms. These two terms are a perfect square because they have a square root, 81x power 4, its root is 9x squared, and 9b power 4, its root is 2b squared, and the sign between them is positive. So the suitable method here to factorize this expression by factorizing by completing the square. So I will start with a bracket to the power 2. Then I will write the root of the first term. What is the root of 81x power 4? Yes, 9x power 2. The same sign in the middle, plus root of the second term. What is the root of 9b power 4? Yes, 2b squared. After that, outside the bracket, I will change this sign, plus, then I will write minus. Then I will get the product of the first term and the second term by 2. Double of the product of the first and the second term. Then 9x squared by